3 polynomials, exercise 3.3, fourth question. So that is verify that 1, -1, 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial. X cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3, and check the relationship between zeros and its coefficients. Also we need to verify the relationship between zeros and its coefficient. So given polynomial is x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. Verify means, what is the meaning of that? I mean, in place of x, if you substitute 1, put x equal to 1. If you get answer is 0, then we say that 1 is a 0 of the polynomial. Okay? Now what to do? Put, what is the first 0? So as we know that, before that, we know that for a cubic polynomial, we have 3 zeros. Number of zeros of a cubic polynomial are how many? 3 zeros. They are alpha, beta, gamma. Number of zeros of a cubic polynomial are 3. They are alpha, beta, gamma. Okay? So put first 0. Put x equal to 1. I mean 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 1 plus 3. 1 cube in the sense 1 only. Minus 3 into 1 square in the sense 1 only. Minus 1 plus 3. So 1 minus 3 into 1, 3 minus 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. Minus 3 plus 3 gets cancelled. So what is the answer? We got 0. I mean, put when x is equal to 1. I mean, when we substitute in the place of 1, in the place of 1, that is p of 1. When we substitute in the place of x1, we got p of 1 value what? 0. We got 0. Therefore, we can say that x equal to 1 is a 0 of the cubic polynomial. X is equal to 1 is a 0 of the cubic polynomial. Now, let me substitute. Put x equal to 2. Not 2, sorry, which is given minus 1. Which is given minus 1. Put x equal to minus 1. I mean, we need to find p of minus 1. P of minus 1, that is minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 cube in the sense minus 1 minus 3 into minus 1 whole square. If the power is odd number, result is negative only. If the power is even number, result will be positive. Minus 1 whole square in the sense plus 1. Minus into minus plus 3. So that is minus 1 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. Minus 3 plus 3 gets cancelled. Answer is 0. I mean, we got p of minus 1 is equal to 0. Hence, minus 1 is also a 0 of the polynomial. Now, what is our third 0 which is given? Gamma, which is given 3. I don't have place, let me erase it. Now, put x equal to gamma value is 3. Let us find out p of 3. I mean 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square minus 3 plus 3. Beta, in the place of x, substitute 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square minus 3 plus 3. I can cancel minus 3 plus 3 here only. 3 cube in the sense 27 minus 3 into 3 square in the sense 9. So 27 minus 3 9 are 27. 27 minus 27, 0. Right? Even though when we substitute in the place of x 3, we got answer is 0. Then what we can say? We can say that 1 minus 1 and 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial, are the zeros of the cubic polynomial. Okay, this is about first part. Coming to second part, also they are asking to check relationship. Check the relationship between zeros and coefficients of a cubic polynomial. So what is the standard form of cubic polynomial? As we know that the standard form of the cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is the standard form of a cubic polynomial. What is the coefficient of x cube? Nothing means 1. So a value is 1. And coming to b value is minus 3. Coming to c value is minus 1. And the constant is 3. Right? And we have relationship between zeros and coefficients of a cubic polynomial. So first relation is sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to what is the formula? Minus b by a. So what is alpha? Alpha in the sense 1 plus beta in the sense minus 1 plus gamma in the sense 3 equal to minus. What is the value of b? b again minus 3 by what is the value of a? A value 1. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. Here we have 3 equal to minus into minus plus 3 by 1. 3 by 1 in sense 3 only. See? Even though we verified sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta plus gamma also we got 3. Using relationship also we got 3 only. I mean both are equal. Here also 3, here also 3. I mean both are equal. Hence we verified the relation. So next coming to second relationship is sum of the two zeros taken at a time. I mean sum of the product of the two zeros, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is equal to c by e. This is our second relationship. Sum of the product of the two zeros taken at a time. See here we are taking two zeros, alpha beta, beta gamma, alpha gamma. So the formula is c by a. So alpha beta, alpha value is 1, beta value is minus 1 plus beta value is minus 1 and gamma value is 3. Alpha value is 1 and gamma value is 3 equal to c by a. What is the value of c? Minus 1. And what is the value of a? 1. So 1 into minus 1, minus 1, plus into minus, minus, 1 3s are 3, plus 1 into 3, 3 equal to minus 1 by 1 in the sense minus 1 only. Minus 3 plus 3 gets cancelled. So minus 1 equal to minus 1. In this case also we got same answer. Hence verified relationship. And coming to third relation is product of the zeros, alpha, beta, gamma is equal to minus d by a. This is our third relation. Product of the zeros, alpha, beta, gamma equal to minus d by a. Alpha value 1, beta value minus 1, gamma value 3 equal to minus d value 3 and a value is 1. 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 into 3, minus 3 equal to minus 3. And hence verify the relationship. And this is an important question. Try to solve. You will understand each and everything. Okay? Thank you.